Hello everyone, this is Abhishek K, and today we are going to discover SQL data definitions and data types. Welcome to World of SQL, the powerful language of managing data with relation database. This guide delves into the core concepts of SQL data definition language and explore the various data types that form the foundation of your database structure. SQL data definition language, DDL. Defining the database structure. SQL DDL is like the blueprint of your database. It provides the tool to define the structure of your database, including creating, modifying, and deleting database objects like table, views, index, and more. Creating and modifying database object. DDL statements like create, alter, and drop allow you to build, change, and remove database elements. This ensures you to have complete control over the organization and evolving of your database, ensuring data integrity. DDL statements also play a crucial role in maintaining data integrity through constraints. These constraints specify rules and limitations for data, ensuring data consistency and validity with your database. Managing user permission. DDL extends beyond structural definitions. You can also define user roles and permissions, controlling who has access to different parts of your database and the operation that can perform. Creating a table, defining the table structure. The create table statement is a primary tool for building a new table with your database. It involves specifying the table name and defining columns. Syntax and example. The syntax is straightforward. Create table name, column name, data type, and constraint. For example, create data table employer ID primary key, first name character, first last name character, and department character. Creates an employee table with 4 columns. Column definition. Each column definition consists of the column name, its data type, and any association constraints like primary key, foreign key, etc. Constraints enforce data integrity and help maintaining the relationships between data. Defining table column name. Each column is a table requires a unique name and identify its data. To the descriptive name that clearly indicates the purpose of the column. Data type. This determines the kind of data and the column can store such as numbers, text, data, sectors, etc. Selecting the right data type is crucial for accuracy, efficiency, and data integrity. Constraints. Constraints are rules that define limitations for the data in the column, like specifying the primary key set, setting a maximum length of the text, or ensuring uniqueness of values. Data types in SQL, numerical data types, character data types, data and time data types, and other data types. Numerical data types. These are used for storing numerical, including integers, decimals, and floating point numbers. These are essential for representing quantities, price, and other numerical data. Character data types used for storing textual data, including name, addressing, description, and other textual information. They are commonly used for representing strings of character. Date and time data represent date, times, and time stamps, allowing you to store them and manage temporary information within the data. This is accurate for tracking events, recording timeline, and analyzing trends over time. Other data beyond the basic categories, you will find additional data types like Boolean, binary data, and more. The choice of data types depends upon the specific requirements of your data schema. Numerical data types. Numerical data types are int, small, begin, decimal, and float. Int are integers value, example 10, 25 minus 5. Small int are small integers value 1, 5 minus 2. Begin are large integer value types like large numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Decimal pair. Fixed precision decimal numbers with example 2.34, 5.78 are the examples. Float single precision and floating point numbers. Character data types. What's up? Variable length character strings up to n characters, suitable for name addressing of any text that has varying length. Char fixed length character strings exactly n character, useful for storing data with constrained length with a postal codes or short codes. Text long text data best for storing large amount of text such as description, articles, or reports. Data type date and time data type. Date stores date in the format of YYY, MM, and DD means year, month, and date. ideal for representing birth dates, transaction date, or any data involving dates. Time stores the time in the format of hour, minute, second, used for recording specific time like event starting time, belonging times, or any time sensitive information. Datetime combines both the date and time information into a single value useful for recording events with both date and information, both time components such as meeting time, appointment schedules, or time. Timestamp is a specific data type that automatically records the date and time of a row creation or update. It is often used for auditing or tracking changes within the database. Constraints in SQL. Primary key, foreign key, unique constraint, not null, check constraint. The unique identifiers for each row is a table. Ensures data integrity and allow efficient referring between tables. Foreign key. Link a row in a one table to another table, enforcing relationship between table and maintaining the consistency. Unique constraints ensure that the column or set of column contains unique value, preventing duplicate entries and ensuring data accuracy. Not null. Specify that the column cannot have a null value, ensuring that the certain fields are always filled with a valid data. Check constraint defines specific condition that must be met by the data in a column, ensuring data validity and adherence to specific rules. Conclusion and key takeaways. Understanding SQL DDL is a data type is a fundamental of designing and managing relationship databases efficiently. By mastering this concept, you can build a robust database structure that accurately represent your information and facilitate efficiency data manipulation. As you continue to SQL journey, remember that choosing the right data types and implementing appropriate constraint is essential for creating all well-structured, reliable, and maintaining database. Thank you.